It is July 11, 2000. Oh God, going through a junkyard. Oh, God, some of those cars have been totally fucked in accidents. My God, that would fucking suck to lose a car in an accident. That's true, but they don't have enough trons for people to ride. You wouldn't need a car if there were more trons. And trons should go every fucking where. But not enough people are riding the Northstar line, which is not a good incentive to get more. We need a tron lines built. Although a lot of people rode the Hiawatha Tron, but they have a lot more trons to ride. And there's downtown Minneaplis. And after I leave here, I'm going to go to the Science Museum. To see an Omnimax movie. Those Omnimax movies are fucking cool. Oh God. I came back from Old Country Buffet, and someone had brought in, it came with a kid who had full-blown autism. He had to have autism. He was going, oh. That's the way he was talking. Hey, I used to be like that myself. I like to make fun of him. I don't know how the fuck I got out of it, but I'm just glad I did. Because he is very low functioning. I wouldn't want to be that low functioning. That would fucking suck. I wouldn't be able to live independently if I was that low functioning. Even though I have Asperger's syndrome. I take it he doesn't know how to talk. I'm sure they're trying to get him to learn how to talk. If he doesn't learn how to talk, his life is fucked. It's the least he needs to do in order to function when he gets older. And to become higher functioning. He's so low functioning, you don't even know about trons. If I was that low functioning, I wouldn't be interested in making tron videos or know how to make tron videos. He came with, I don't know who he came with, his parents and some other people, some other relatives, I guess. I wanted to ask him if he had autism, but you know how people are, they could act like assholes, so I decided not to. I get a feeling it's autism, and very low functioning autism. I still wish I was in the Chicago area because there's so many more trons to ride. I'd love to make videos where we're riding every Metrotron. And there's downtown Minneaplis. Tron goes around that building. I remember that so fucking cool. I made videos of the Tron going around that building. It's only on railroad track. I just wish there were more trons to ride. Oh, going over the Mississippi River now. Well, that's part of it. Yeah, now we're going over the Mississippi River. This bridge is fucking cool. At the downtown station. I just wish I could ride the trons more often. I wish there were more trons to ride.
Your attention, please. We are now arriving at our final destination of Target Field Station. Please take a moment, look around, gather up all of your personal belongings, and thank you for riding the Northstar. Those making the final trip from Target Field, this train will depart at 7 o'clock. Thank you.
Well, I can't wait till they have the Central Quarter trons, and I could take that to the Science Museum. That's going to be a couple more years before they have the Central Quarter trons running. That's the end of riding the Tron, unfortunately. I'm gonna stop this.